Hope you're all doing well. As we've promised you, today we have a very special guest from Meditur Village. So it's a pleasure to have him with us. First, we are going to listen to him, and after that, you will have a 10-minute time for asking the questions. Okay? Okay, let's start.
I speak I for
Yes,
all
yes.
right.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, good morning for all people. I'm the manager of Meditur Village, are situated in Ostuni, in Puglia, Italy, and I'm very pleasure that I speak with you. For the Meditur Village is a village 4 stars, have a restaurant for 300 people, and in this moment there is no restaurant manager will speak with you, but I speak I. So the work in my restaurant is very simple because it's a buffet. Every people that work every day for 640 hours and for 6 days and one day is off. When you arrive in my village, you have the room for two people and with the bathroom and very simple and you eat and drink in the restaurant with my staff personal. And so for the breakfast is served buffet style, and the staff member will be responsible for clearing the tables and setting them up. The same applies for lunch and dinner. Staff will be responsible for cleaning and arranging cutlery, plates, and glasses, cleaning and arranging tables and chairs. Staff are entitled to meals at specific times. So this is a normal with every day for the period that you stay in Meditor Village. Please, for you, speak for any question for me.
Okay, guys, if you have any operational questions, you can ask. I will be very happy to know what kind of expectations do you have from our students? What should they behave there? What should they do there in order to make you fully satisfied?
It is normal for the student that stay in my village because it's a normal for the students stay just for work and study is a normal period have no problem because the last year have just 9 students in my village and very good people and whenever finish the work have a just relationship for him and now work in other village and the 5 stars, two people just 5 stars. And Valeria and the work with you now have stayed in my village last year and speak with him just for any questions.
Okay, perfect. How many rooms do you have, Mr. Cappelletti?
So all people, all rooms is 163.
Okay, perfect.
This is
Perfect.
for maybe it's just for the 300 people customers here.
And at the peak times, I want to know how many people most of the times are there in the buffet and the buffet hall.
Every day hit the 300 people. Maybe
300 people.
yes, 250. Max number is 300 people.
Is it in each meal?
Yes,
You
yes, is maybe is 250 and the 300 is the maximum number for the eating, breakfast, in lunch and dinner, because
oh,
it's all inclusive and the people take the food for the buffet. And the waiter is just take the dishes, no clean, okay, when you finish the custom.
okay,
It's
perfect.
very simple. It's a work is very simple, you have no problem. It's just attitude for the people, students, is a smile. Every day is smile and speak with the customer. Is this the first for the people?
Perfect. It was exactly the things that we were talking about during the
Yes,
lesson.
yes,
It's
yes.
very good.
Yes, but when the people arrive in the Meditur village, the students speak with me, and I speak with the students. It's just the stay with the people. I have no problem with this. Okay, so I think that all people speak English or just a little Italian.
They all speak English. Some of them can understand Italian and some of
Okay,
them can speak a bit.
okay, perfect, perfect. Okay,
However, at this moment, they're taking also the classes of Italian course.
yes.
So they're getting a bit better
Okay, that's fine.
spelling.
No problem. Just the most important that speak English
Mm-hmm.
for the basic. No problem.
Well, I have some question. I don't know whether he'll be able to answer that. Let me. Can I see the question?
Yes.
He talked about sharing of room. Like he said, two people share the room, like accommodation.
Mm-hmm.
How is that done? Was it the one who is he the one who will share, who will do the distribution, or we have to just choose our own partners to share who we want to share the room with?
You want to know about your accommodation?
Yeah, exactly. Whether
Okay. Is it possible to give some information about the accommodation of the students?
Yes, but every students have a double room with private bathroom with a
Okay.
man and a different for the woman. Every room is just for two people. In my
Okay.
village, there is all students. Is 8 people that have just four room with each room is just for two people.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Divine has a question. Yes, Divine, we are
Yes,
hearing
please.
you.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
I would just like to ask how many students or workers do you have for each session, like the morning and colazione, pranzo e cena. How many waiters work for each maximum waiters that work for each session?
Okay, so every day my personal waiters is all for the breakfast until 10 waiters, and maybe just for the students is two. And I have in my Meditur Village is 8 students, and every week change the rule. It's just for the breakfast and lunch and dinner. Every week change the rule. It's just the weekly planner when you arrive here, and every student have the week work for 6 days and 1 day off.
Okay, thank you so much.
I have question about uniform. Um, are the students who will bring the uniform, or you provide it to the students?
Again, it's a question about us. They are providing the uniforms. However, you need to have something near you as extra. So when your clothes get dirty and etc., you can use it. However, we are going to talk about it today. Laraib, Laraib, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I am. I need to ask how many tourists every year come and how many this time is expected to come. Like, what is the ratio? Like, we talk in a class there, like 200 to 500. So, like, what is the number of crowd?
Mhm. I think he answered it. He said that in every day we have almost 300 guests, between 250 and 300. And in each meal, we have to serve for them.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes,
Thank you. So, ma'am, when like we are serving something at the same time on some table, the guest may ask us to like bring something different. Like we have some target. I mean, pressure that we need to serve another tray, but at the same time we have another work as well that the guest is asking to change the dish or maybe like he wants sauce or something. So, how should we prioritize it and how should we handle the situation?
okay. As I understood, you want to know if the guest asks you for something different than what you do, what should you do? Yes? How should you behave?
Yes, ma'am. Like, what should we prioritize first? What should we do first?
Okay. He wants to know, as you know, they have a list of tasks for every day. So if suddenly one of the guests asks for something extraordinary, and in that situations, he wants to know what's the priority. Should they first do the thing that the guest is asking for or do their daily things?
So Neda, you repeat. I don't understand what the questions.
Yes. Om says that we know that in every day we have a list of duty. We know that we have to do some tasks. Imagine someday one of the guests asks the students for an extraordinary thing, for a thing that is not inside within their tasks. So how would be the priority? First, they should do the thing that the guest is asking for or their daily duties.
So, but every day it's normal, the guests. Is the priorities for the guests, not for the students. But it's normal for the student that have a normal time that to work. It's a normal time. There is no extraordinary because all people have just have the schedule with the work for the normal.
Okay.
Have
So,
no problem.
if an extraordinary thing happened, maybe it would be better to ask your manager there. So, because every day, as he says, the priority is with the guest. However, there is no extraordinary thing, so you may ask the manager at the time.
No, it's normal. It's
Mhm.
normal for the guests. It's normal.
Okay, what else? Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask.
I have a
Welcome.
question about like if a guest asks about the gluten-free meal or allergen food, how do we deal with him?
He wants to know if the guest asks for a different kind of meal, for example, gluten-free or some other kinds of meals. What should they do?
So for the students is when you arrive here, every student speak with me, have just problem for the food. With
Uh,
for celiac or other people speak with me and they write a letter for the kitchen and for the manager of the restaurant just for the food for the students. Every student eat with my personal. There is a restaurant dedicated for the people that work here.
but he's asking this question about the guests. What about the guests?
No, for the guests, I have no problem for the celiac. There is one my waiters personal that just speak with the guests have a problematic for the food.
Okay, perfect.
There is no for the student this problem. Okay, is
Okay,
this
perfect.
problem is just for my personal waiters that stay here,
Okay, so
dedicated for the guests.
there is a specific person who deals with this kind of things, Navidali.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I wanted to ask the guest that he said that he have also staffs. They were like working in the restaurant. So, what is our responsibility as a student to work with the staff? How is we gonna like work? What is our responsibility as in general in that restaurant? Like, what's
Okay,
our first month like? What we gonna do there? What's our responsibility if like clearly can like
Okay,
tell us?
about the
Thank you.
responsibilities, he answered this question. He said it's something normal every day. You need to clean, to put the things there, and etc. But about your behavior, let's ask her. He wants to know how should their just let's say fix their behaviors, their actions with the personal, let's say, the people, waiters who are working there. How should they divide the responsibilities, the tasks?
No, so for the responsibility, every student that work with a waiter, my personal waiter, every waiter, every student with just two people stay working together
Perfect.
and
Perfect.
have no responsibility with the guests because the students speak with the waiter that work here and the head of the waiter speak with the students. I have no problem for the responsibility because each students that stay here is just for the apprendere, do you know? It's just for the work. It's just for the start, if you just watch, and after I work. Is this normal for me?
Okay, perfect. So it's only in Meditur that it's like this, guys. You will work, you will accompany with another waiter who is, let's say, who is an employee there. So you will help him or her. And also, he or she, as well as the chef Doran, are going to just say, okay, what should you do? What kind of responsibilities you have now? Okay, it was a very good question.
All
Okay,
right.
thank you very much, Mr. Cappelletti. We will
All right. Bye-bye. See you
see you.
later. I'm
We
very
will
pleased
see
to
you
meet you.
later at
Okay.
11 o'clock.
Thanks,
Have a
love.
nice
Thanks,
time.
love.
See you.
Thanks,
Bye.
love. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone, have you studied it? Please turn on your videos so that I can
Yes,
see
I did
you.
check it out.
Okay, perfect. Did you have any problems with some parts, some different parts?
No,
No?
no. It's
Okay.
It was
clear.
very clear.
Okay, perfect. And I think we can just talk about some of the points that are very important for us. However, let's have an overview on it. Guys, in this handbook, you can see all the things we are expecting you to do. From the starting point, I mean, from the time, Mulualem, do you want to ask something?
Yeah, I'm just confused with like in the first part it says
Okay.
like insurance document. I didn't understand what's
Okay.
saying.
I will now talk about it. I will now talk
All
about
right.
it.
All right.
Okay. In each part, if you have any question, you can just stop me and ask your question. Don't worry about it. Okay. First of all, guys, before your departure, what should you do? You should prepare all your documents. What are your documents? Your valid passport, your residence permit, and also for those who have the identità card, they must carry their identità card. I mean, the identità card italiano. That one, or if you don't have the permesso, you need to carry the ricevuta with yourself. Guys, be careful. It's not possible just to have the photo of it on your phone. So when we are talking about the documents, we need the physical documents, okay? You have to carry all of them with yourself. Then we have the enrollment confirmation. If anyone doesn't have the enrollment confirmation, which we have sent via email after their registration, they must write an email to admission and ask for it. Okay? It's something that says, okay, this person is a student in Agorà. And then there will be a training project. We call it a project formativo, okay? After sending you the offer letter and everything, and the last step, we are going to send you Progetto Formativo, okay? Progetto Formativo is a form in which, first of all, you should print it out, and then you can see two different columns in it. In the first column, everything is written in English. In another column, everything is written in Italian language. And also, what do we have in it? We have all the details about Agorà. I mean, the one who is providing you the courses. And on the other hand, about the hotel and about you. So you need to fill it out there, and you must print it out in two copies, because the first copy will be with you, and the second copy is the one you are going to hand to the hotel. When you arrive, you need to hand your documents to the human resource staff there, so they will ask for it. No, you don't have it. We are going to send it to you, okay? Then that one, your IBAN, it's very important to share your IBAN both with us and also to have it with you there. The IBAN for the bank, they are going to transfer your salary. And also the insurance. Look, guys, you must have a health insurance for the duration in which you are going to work there. Okay? If some I don't know, some of the students have it. Its name is testera sanitaria, the one that they provide here in Italy. If you have it, it's okay. If you don't have it, don't worry. Some days before leaving, you can talk about it to us. Then we can introduce you a company, an insurance company, which is providing you with the insurance. I don't know how much it costs, but you need just to pay for the duration that you are going to work, not for the whole year. So it will
Excuse
not
me,
be that much
Neda.
expensive. Yes,
Hello.
Muhammad. Yes.
So I'm asking about the insurance that when we got enrolled in Italy in our university. So for embassy, we have an insurance from Pakistan, so which is valid till the end of this year. So can we use this insurance, right?
It is the travel insurance, yes?
No, the health insurance for the whole year for
You
the
must
visa,
send it. Okay, you must
student
send
visa.
it when we ask for it. When we ask you to send to share your documents with us, you must send it to admission. She must control and let you know if it's okay or not. If she says it's okay, then you can use it. Otherwise, you must change it.
Okay.
Is it the same as the insurance we have put in our permesso application?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the same. But Jacob, it should be valid till the end of the time that you are going to do the internship. I mean, it should cover the whole duration.
Yes, sure. Cover the
Okay?
whole 3 months.
Sorry, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes, Javad.
Okay, so I'm from Iran, and there's some insurance company that like they give what is called an insurance. Can I use those? Because I think that maybe that is cost me cheaper than buying insurance from here. So I
Javad,
know you
if
just
you
answered
mean,
this, but it a bit confusing for me
yeah,
for
I
like
know.
3 months. Yeah.
I can understand you. If you mean the travel insurance like Kosar, Saman, and etc.
Yeah.
that we have in Iran, before leaving, we will ask you for the documents. You can send it to Martina. Then Martina will tell you if it's acceptable or not. Okay?
Okay, but in general, do you think it cost me cheaper or not? Because I don't know actually.
It is cheaper. For sure, it is cheaper. But I don't know whether it's acceptable or not.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
That's the point. Yes, Veronica.
I'm so sorry. Hello. I just wanted to clarify. If I have tessera sanitaria, that means that I don't have to buy an insurance as well?
Yes, exactly. If you have tessera sanitaria and if it's valid for the whole duration that you're going to work, it's okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, so guys, be careful. You must carry all those documents we talk about in their physical format, not just the photo. The photo is not enough. So be careful and have 2 copies of all of them with yourself. And then, after arrival, before departure, Agorà will organize the pickup. We will send you the number of the person who is going to pick you up there and the exact, let's say, location. For example, we will tell you Ansumana at when are you going to arrive there? Ansumana will send the ticket to us, and we can see, for example, Ansumana will arrive at 9 a.m. Okay? Then we will say, Ansumana, at 9:30 you must be in this location. Then this pickup man will come and pick you up from that special location. It's very important. And also, the location is very important. But before your departure, we will share the number of that pickup man, okay? And you will be in touch with that specific person. So if something happens, for example, we had this experience. One of the students were supposed to go to Bari, but something happened. A delay happened for the, I don't know what was maybe he was going by ferry or something. A delay had happened, so the overall thing has changed, and he had to just buy another ticket. What did he do? He just directly contacted that specific person, telling that, okay, I will arrive at this time. Everything has changed, but you should be in touch with that specific person. So, what you must send to Agorà? You must send your travel tickets or travel details in advance, including arrival date, exact arrival time, arrival point, as well as flight or train or bus number if available. Guys, look, we will talk about it also during our staff meeting, so don't worry about it. We will tell you when you must buy the ticket and etc. Okay? Then, what you will receive before departure? Before your departure, you will receive.
Can I ask a question?
Jean, yes? Yes, you can
Yes.
ask your question.
Yeah, for arrival and picking up to the hotel, I have a question because is like Agora will organize a picking up from like airport, for example. For me, I will
Okay.
around in.
No, we don't have pickup from airport. However, this specific question must be asked during our staff meeting on 9th and 10th May. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. There are some specific points. We have determined those specific locations, and the pickup person will only pick you up from that specific point. Okay?
Okay.
And then, where we were. Okay, when you arrive at the meeting point, when you arrive at the agreed meeting point, contact the hotel pickup person. You can send an SMS or call or anything. Keep your phone and on and reachable. So don't say, "Oh, my battery is not." Be careful about it. Wait at the agreed location for that specific person. In case of emergency, guys, emergency only, not all the time. For example, you're waiting for the pickup person. Let me say to Neda that I'm waiting in the pickup person. No, it's not the case. Only if you have a specific problem. You can call me or you can write me on WhatsApp. As well, there are some important rules. Don't contact hotel directors or managers directly before departure. You are the students of Agorà. So, if you have any questions, you must call us. You must ask it from us, not from the hotel. Okay? Don't send repeated messages to the hotel. In case of delay, immediately inform the hotel pickup contact. So the only one you can contact with before your departure is a pickup man. The pickup man and Agorà assistants if needed. Okay? Who are the Agorà assistants? On WhatsApp, I can answer you. On phone, I can answer you. And if you want to send any emails, Dario will help you. Okay, and we will have the email address later on here. It's our info point email. Okay, then about your uniform, that you ask a lot of questions. Your uniform represents you and the hotel. It must be clean. Manal, do you have any questions?
I have a question regarding the health insurance, since the health insurance in Italy costs 700 euros.
No, Manal. It's the one that is for the whole year. When I tell you that we will introduce you the company, that company will issue an insurance for a specific period. So when it's for a specific period, it will cost really lower than that. For example, something around 50 euros and etc.
Well,
And also we have different kind of insurances, Lara. For example, there are some that we can only show to the questura for our permesso, and we cannot use it for the doctor, for anything, for our health problems. Then those kind of insurances cost less than what you are talking about. But I know about the insurance that you told. Anyways, about your uniform. Guys, your uniform must be clean. Important. Please make sure to include these items in your luggage, as they will be required for your daily work. So, don't ask this question repeatedly. You must have I will tell you now here. For kitchen, for example, a white long sleeve chef jacket, a black kitchen trousers, one pair of black safety shoes. It's for kitchen. For housekeeping, 2 white t-shirts, 1 pair of white trousers, and 1 pair of clean, simple shoes. For those who are going to work as waiter or waitress or are going to work in bar, 2 black trousers, 2 white long sleeve cotton shirts, 1 pair of black shoes. And for those who are going to work in reception, 2 white shirts, 1 pair of blue or black trousers, and 1 pair of dark shoes. It's very important. It doesn't mean that the hotel will not provide you with the clothes. The hotel will provide, but during the day, different accidents will happen, can happen. As you know, especially for you who are going to work as a waiter or waitress, or who are going to work in bar, it's very important, guys. What is very important? You should not wear clothes that are dirty. If something happened by accident, immediately you have it in your luggage. You can change it, okay? It's because of that. So pay attention to this important point. And every day, the uniform must be clean, hair must be tidy and professional, no excessive accessories, personal hygiene is mandatory. We have talked about it previous session, but I'm insisting on it once more. Last week, I didn't send you the material. Why? Because this session, we were going to insist on only these manuals. It's very important for us to know about them. Also, the other session, but don't worry, after finishing the whole course, I'm going to share the whole material with you. Don't worry about it. But these 2 sessions, we are just going to insist on them. Yes, Veronica, if you have any questions, you can ask your question.
I am so sorry to bother you. I just wanted to ask, if there will be some kind of laundry available at the
Yes,
hotel?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
wonderful.
There is a
Thank you.
laundry there, and the laundry is free for the students, but the laundry does the laundry thing only with the clothes that the hotel is providing for you. So don't think that you can give your personal clothes to the laundry to clean it for you. It's important. Yes, Kovalova, you can ask your question.
I would just want to ask if the uniforms for waitress in a hotel will be different or the same as you just said?
No, the same as the things that are here. Just prepare these things with yourself and take them with you. However, there, the hotel will provide you with the clothing, okay? In case of any accidents, you can use your own clothes. But guys, it's very important. You cannot wear whatever you like. You cannot wear jeans. You cannot wear even if you say, for example, my jeans are black, for example. No, it's not possible, guys. Jeans are not possible. Only normal trousers, cotton trousers. Okay, be careful about it. It's very important. And Manasseh, if you have question, I'm here.
Yes, mine might not be a question, but probably a concern. Like you said, the restaurant gives the staff the uniform, but then you don't wash the other clothes in the machine, in the laundry. And there are days where you need to be off work and then you wear your own clothes. And then what is the possibility of washing other
When
clothes?
we are talking about laundry, Manasseh, I'm sorry to interrupt you. When we are talking about laundry, we are talking about the overall thing about cleaning the staff clothes. But when it comes to your own on your off day or don't know anything else, it's something else. Each hotel can provide different facilities for that. I don't know. It depends on the hotel. It depends on the accommodation that they are going to give you. But anyways, you can ask this specific question on the staff meeting of your specific hotel, so that the admission who has the information about all of them can help you about it. Don't worry. Second, the hotel. We are going to send you, for example, the hotel like ET has not confirmed yet sending the offer letters. I mean, we will send you the offer letters after the staff meeting. And also, if you have any specific situation, for example, maybe you have said to Martina during the interview that I have an appointment for fingerprint on, I don't know, 15th June, okay? Maybe it can be because of that, so you can write an email to admission and ask about the reason. Catherine, if you have any questions, you can ask it.
Yes, I do. Neda, you had said the hotel is gonna provide us uniform. What about that one? The other one? Are we gonna buy it ourselves? The one that is mentioned before, like the white trousers, the black trousers.
Yes. You must buy it yourself. You must put it as part of your clothes inside your luggage, and you must carry it with yourself there. Yes.
So now the hotel is gonna provide which uniform?
The hotel will provide you with the uniform that you are going to use there, but you have these things in case of any accidents. If something happens, if the clothes that the hotel gives to you becomes dirty or something happens, you can change it with yours.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. Always greet guests with a smile. It's very important. Even Mr. Cappelletti talked about it. It's very important. You should smile every day. Create a human connection and make people feel welcome. We have talked about it a lot during our previous sessions. Ansumana and then Prayosha. First, Prayosha. Yes, Prayosha.
Hello. I had a question about the uniform. I assume it's a silly question, but about the footwear for a female, like, is there any specific? I guess there's not a specific standard that it should be of a certain kind or of a certain design. It can be like I don't have to buy a new one, right? If I already have one. Is there any specification regarding the footwear?
No, it should be new, clean, and also the most important thing, simple. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
It should be
Yeah. Thank
simple.
you.
But Prayosha, be careful. If you have it from a long time ago, take care.
Mm-hmm.
If it's clean, if it's not, if it looks old, if it looks
Yeah, yeah,
new,
yeah.
it's important.
Yeah, I got
Okay?
it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, we don't have time to continue today. However, I kindly ask you to continue reading it carefully and to prepare your questions so that we can talk about it more in the next session. Okay, it's very important.